Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to check your credit score in Lendio. Lendio allows you to view your credit score to better understand your loan eligibility. Here's how to check it. First, log into your Lendio account using your email and password, and then from the dashboard, go to the credit tools or profile section. There you want to look for the option that's labeled check my credit score and click it, and Lendio may ask for permission to run a soft credit pull. Don't worry, this won't affect your score. Now just provide basic details when prompted, such as your social security number and business information. Wait a few seconds while the system retrieves your score, and your credit score will appear, often alongside a breakdown of factors such as payment history, credit utilizations, and inquiries. Save the report or screenshot it for your records. A quick tip, monitoring your credit score regularly in Lendio can help you to identify areas to improve before applying for larger loans. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.